Hi, welcome back to the Amoretti kitchen. Today I'm going to make some Thai chicken lettuce wraps, and I'm going to use Amoretti's coconut cream extract and some lemongrass oil extract. Let's get started. All right, so I have quite a few ingredients here. It might look a little intimidating, but this is really a quick recipe. I am using pre-baked chicken that I have chopped up. These are pre-chopped peppers, so that makes it easy. I'm going to start by sauteing some scallions in some coconut oil. I want to make sure we get all that coconut flavor in this recipe. Okay, I'm just going to saute these until they're soft. I don't want to brown them. All right, so I'm going to add a little bit of garlic paste, some lime juice, our extracts, a little bit of salt, and some red pepper flakes, and just a little bit of fish sauce. This just gives a really nice flavor. I can smell the coconut and the lemongrass. It's wonderful. So now you can add the chicken. It's been cooked, so this is really just to heat it up. All right, so this is cooked through, and I'm going to take it off the heat now and add some mint and some basil. And then once this cools, just a few minutes, we'll put it in the lettuce wraps and plate it. So this is some butter lettuce, and it's the best lettuce to use for these. I've just placed 3 different leaves opposite directions, and makes it a lot easier to eat this way. This is such a clean meal. It really is quite delicious and very easy to make. And there you have it. So it's pretty easy to make and quite delicious. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our channel and our newsletter, and you can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at Amoretti. See you next time.